This day was all about packing and making sure I had everything I needed. So I grabbed my duffel bag, I folded everything that I wanted to take, then I made my way up to Marshall's. I wanted to get some lotion because I didn't have any. Well, I was running out, and so I wanted to get some of that and then go home and finish packing. So we took all day driving from Connecticut to Pennsylvania. We stopped for some gas. Then when we got there, we had some spaghetti and meatballs waiting for us. That was so good. And then after that, I just did a little bit of a choreography practice just to make sure, I got all the dance moves right. I ain't want to embarrass me or my partner or anybody else, So this morning I woke up, brushed my teeth, ended up go puffing some breakfast. I ordered one of these and they sent me both of them because I canceled it and then reordered it. But I took my cereal inside, had some cereal. Then we just made confirmations for everything. Like all morning, that's all we did all morning. Emails, calls, making sure everything's right. Then we took a little lunch break, and after that we just made sure that everybody had their clothing, and we made sure that everything was fitted how it should be, and any last minute adjustments were made. This was the longest day. As you can see, I have my cereal right there. I literally woke up to organize all these little containers of peanuts because they were going to be set on the tables just for people to snack on. Then we went to the reception place and it was like empty, so we had to help decorate. And here we are decorating, and all. And after it was decorated, the group and I, like everybody who was in the wedding, we did our little practice. But look how good we did this, guys. It really took a whole group effort. I didn't use this backdrop. I wonder if anybody did. But we had some mabenis. It was interesting that it was yellow. But this day, like, we literally prepared all the food. So here they have all the meat. They were gonna grill and stuff. They had the chicken and everything. And then we went to the hair store just to make sure we had everything for the hair. I had 2 styles in mind, so I just got everything I needed for both styles. Looked at some nails. I never even used these. And they're so cute too. Then I looked at some necklaces, but then I was like, nah, I don't like them. So we went back home. Actually, we didn't even go back home. Oh my gosh, long day. Went back to help with some food. So here we are helping. First time making sambusa, right? Preparing the dough. This right here, I couldn't do this by my hand. It's too hot for me. But yeah, right here she's showing us how to fill in the meat so that it's not overpacked, and how to seal it properly, just to make sure when it gets fried, it doesn't open up. Look at this lighting. I need a ring light. Somebody give me a ring light because woo, I'm about to get my hair done. And
I remember whenever Bahati broke her leg.
wow.
Broke everything.
We're gonna cut it off. We're gonna cut it off. Good morning. I'm about to take this down. Look how my hair looks right now. And then I'm about to do my own makeup because I just don't want to rely on anybody. And then I want to go to the hotel because I didn't sleep over there last night. My ear feels weird. But yeah, I'm about to just get ready and then be out. This is how the hair looks. I gotta just touch up my edges. Oh my gosh, my ear. It's not bad. We did it last night. I feel like it's still wet right here. Or just looks like it. What y'all think? Is it giving Princess Jasmine? Raining.
Nichague wengine wa kufanya kazi. Kwa hiyo tunaomba wale ambao amewaita.
Well then, whoa. Well, Kali. So, it's the end of the night. I look wild. My hair came apart. I took this off because, you know, I had to shower. I just came from showering. About to remove my makeup. It looks like I cried. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I'm gonna try doing more vlogs. If you enjoy this, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.